Hello guys, let's talk about the SellerSprite Chrome extension. We have some cool features. With one click you can see sales distribution according to different ASINs or brand level or seller level. It has really cool feature. Now I'm gonna share my screen and we can dive into to explore more. Here I'm in Amazon search page. Now I'm gonna search some keywords. For example, baby playpen. Okay, I searched this keyword and I'm gonna pull all the ASINs and the products in the first page. There are 48 products on the first page. Okay, I'm gonna run Chrome extension from SellerSprite to explore what's going on in the market. Let's search it now. Meanwhile, there are 69 current products on the first page with different the ASIN brands and the sponsor brand, etc., all together. So I would like to add more. So I click just here, load more, to pull all the product we can pull in the first and the second page to analyze more. Now we have 124 products. So if you want to analyze them on the brand level, we have a very basic and easy function here. Just click this product button. Then we're gonna see it. There is brand level as well. Now I'm gonna click at the brand. Maybe I can pull it a little bit more upside so you can see more. So now we see the products like on the brand level. The first brand is Pambu Bebe or Babe or something like that. This is the brand. You are gonna see muscle sales. It's over 19,000 units per month. And the next brand is this one and Blissful Dairy. So when we go down, we are gonna see all of those brands on the first and the second page. But you need to understand this is not all products of brand, all the products. No, actually, this is the products of this brand, particularly in this niche or sub-niche, specifically this subcategory in baby playpen related product or baby related product. We are not pulling out all the product from the brand. We are only pulling out specifically this category related baby playpen. You are gonna see monthly sales, monthly revenue, 1 year sales units, how many units they sold, or if you wanna see their revenue, you are gonna see from here in this average price, market share. This is also very important. You don't need to create very complicated Excel to understand and what's going on in the market, who is the capturing market, 10% and versus you 15%. So you don't need to complicated Excel. You can find out from the SellerSprite very easily. Maybe this is Visco brand capture 2.4% of total market here, specifically this category, baby playpen related product. So this is in brand level. Just pay attention, always you remove duplicate ASIN. So if I wanna add back you see this metrics or sales units revenue is going to change when I remove duplicated ASIN. Right now there are 140. If I remove duplicate ASIN, it comes down 124. It's the brand level. If you would like to check out on seller level, we come here and select the sellers. So now we're gonna see the sellers, what they are selling, their sales units, etc. From here, it's very easy to understand. So let's analyze a few of them. We see this guy is from China, Blissful Dairy from USA. Even maybe it's the first time I see someone from Sweden. Follow me one. We are gonna see their the products here right now. We are gonna see their product sales units, revenue. Of course, I think there are variation of one listing. We are gonna see 1 year sales and their revenue is similar to each other. So if you would like to analyze any of these brands, you can come and just click it and open more detail to understand what's going on with this seller level. Meanwhile, we understand there are many Chinese sellers in the subcategory. From the flags, you can understand easily. If you would like to copy all sellers, you can just click it and copy all sellers information. You can likewise export all this detail easily. Now, I would like to switch back to products. And then we're gonna see different products, 124 products here right now. I would like to remove some of them, maybe sponsor product. If I would like to remove sponsor product, just click it, and we removed all the sponsor product first and the second page among 124 ASINs. Now, right now, we are only seeing the products from organic result. If you would like to see like sponsored brand videos or high rated or no badge, etc., you can analyze and see from here. Now I would like to remove sponsored brands also. So you see one product also disappeared. If you would like to see only maybe sponsored product ASIN who has sponsored product, just we can come and click the sponsored product. No, sorry, I removed just A plus, what the product has A plus. Now you see 11 these products with A plus, and I wanna see only sponsored product. So guys, it's easy to understand and analyze markets, what happened on the market. This V and this ABS indicates which the product has a video on their product detail page or has A plus content. So by doing so, you can understand what the products has or why they don't have A plus content. You can understand the analyze market. Meanwhile, you can see also new release product from here as well. So I think it's very easy to understand. If you would like to copy all ASINs or export sales, reverse ASIN, traffic comparison, etc., you can do from here easily. Now, just for example, let's compare two products to understand what's going on in the market. I'm gonna select this one and maybe this one, two products. I select it and I just come here, traffic compare, click it. We are gonna open it on the app, all the variations. Okay, now we are gonna compare these two products in the click share level, weekly search volume level, organic ranking level, sponsored product level, conversion, what the ASIN has, what the keywords, and what's the conversion ratio for specifically for different keywords or same keyword, distribution, etc. So I think now it's very cool feature you can utilize for your Amazon business and maximize, save your time. Very visual, very easy to use. Thank you for watching. See you on next videos.